Okay now, so we know where we're at. So what we do is we take, if you just lift up the deck, I mean I'm doing it this way, but just lift it up, put it back in 0 position. You know it's in 0 position, it clicks. Or quartz as some people like to call it. And we're off again. And what we've got to do is change this so that it matches 288. We'll try for it. So you turn it clockwise, just out of touch. And it's a read thing, we say. So I've got a good bit to go down yet. Turn a bit more. Clockwise. I'm gonna touch too far. And it is sensitive, believe. See, I hardly touch that. Again now. .86 is very close. I will try and get it right, but if I can't get it smack on, there is a tolerance. 286 again. .289, I'm happy with that. Really? Close enough for me. We'll be there all day otherwise. I've already got beta sweat coming out of me. Yeah, so I'm just going to turn the turntable over and plug this back in and I'll show you what the results of our labour. Yeah?